Okay, so now that we've taken the measurements, we've built our formulas in the formula builder and exported the file down to Excel, this is what we get. So the company name here is going to be your company name and the project name that we gave it. I gave it a wall linings takeoff example. This is our logo. That's an image file. You can delete that and replace that with your own if you like. The page reference is the page name that we gave it. This was Drywall Takeoff that I renamed, so that comes through here. If we have multiple pages with different names, they'll all be listed here under the Measurements tab. For a couple of items, I gave it a master format division. That's optional. This is just going to categorize it for me into different groups. And then in the description tab, we have all of the actual name descriptions that we gave it. So the way this breaks down is we have all the measurements we took, and then below that we'll list out the formula components that is applicable to that measurement. So if you come all the way over here to the right hand side, you'll see that our formula measurements don't have a color assigned to it. So they're a child of the measurement above, the orange here. The unit measures are the measurements that we gave it either in the tool or in the actual formulas. And then we have the quantity that's been calculated, the rate, and then the total for that line item. Now, this also has formulas built in, so you can just as easily put in a square meter rate in here if you know what that is, and then you can add that in at any point, and it's going to continue to total up. As we tab across, here we'll have a tab for every individual page of your drawing that has markups on the screen. They'll be renamed based on the page name, so you know how to reference it later. And then here we list all the measurements for that particular page. So if you're breaking down different trade packages, you'll get an Excel tab per trade package if that's how you choose to break it down. We also give you the actual markup image file, which is a complete image, so you can copy and paste this into a proposal tool or whatever you need to, and here's all your measurements here. So this is completely unlocked, ready to go Excel file that has everything we need. So quite simply, from taking our measurements on screen, using the formula builder, we've been able to build out quite a comprehensive material list, price that based on the latest material prices, and our project's ready to go.